What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, your daily update. And we have quite a lot to talk about, right? Because yesterday overall we were quite bearish, right? We were losing a ton of momentum and just in general price was trending down quite a bit. And that's what you often see a lot. And just in general, I think that's a very good thing to realize. What you see very often is that when you get a lot of bad news, like for example, we also, if I remember correctly, we also got like news that the U.S. government was moving around funds out of their Silk Road wallets right here. Usually when you get bad news, that's actually a moment where you should look at a potential reversal, all right? So yesterday we got two events of bad news. And that is, first of all, that the inflation rate for the US was higher than expected, which in general, look, I don't think it really matters that much anymore to Bitcoin. But in general, that's bearish, all right? If you just assume that Bitcoin is a risk-on asset, a higher inflation rate means that we're getting higher interest rates, or at least it brings a higher probability of getting higher interest rates. And that means higher interest rates are bad for risk on assets, which I do think Bitcoin still is. So that was bearish. And then apart from that, Uniswap got, well, not sued, but it looks very, very likely that Uniswap is about to get sued. So that's super bearish as well. I mean, Uniswap right now is the biggest decentralized exchange, if I'm correct, still in crypto. So that's obviously bad news for crypto as a whole, which Bitcoin is the leader of. But what happened is that we actually bounced almost precisely from that announcement. We had this short-term downtrend right here, broke above that. Now, what's interesting is that over the course, like when this just started, the bullish momentum. So yesterday in the late afternoon, in my time zone at least, we had some open interest coming in. So we had some positions that were being opened, but it was mostly, I would say, shorts being closed. And what you can see right now, and overall also this started yesterday already, but what you can see right now is that we are actually gaining open interest, all right? So you can see that the open interest is gaining right here, which means that more and more positions are being opened. So that means that this push in price that we're seeing right now is actually legit. Now, the main question and the main thing we have to talk about, of course, is, all right, well, we have this momentum. Can we actually break out then? And to be 100% honest with you, I don't know, all right? Right now, the circumstances, if you look at Bitcoin, if you look at the 4-hour time frame right here, I mean, this is bullish, all right? We're making higher lows right here, and we're even making higher highs right here. So I would say this overall structure is bullish. But if you think about the fundamentals with all the negative news, or at least all the potential negative things that we saw, and that could still come in the near future. And then you also have the halving coming up very, very soon, in a little bit over a week. That's all not scary, but that does bring volatility and that does bring unpredictability. So for now, I need to say, because like I said, technically the structure, this is not bearish. And we are gaining momentum, so I have to say that I think it's most likely that we will continue to be bullish, excuse me. So that will break above 71,500, and if we can actually hold that level as support, other than on Monday, we can rally up to like 74 and 75,000 again. So this looks most likely, but be careful, all right? Because what could this whole structure we have right now could also still turn into a big consolidation, all right? So that we might have a bit of a spike here, but that we will drop back down below 71,000, and that will drop down towards like 67 and 65,000 again. So be prepared for that, all right? And be careful, just in general, the markets actually don't feel too strong yet. I mean, the total 3 is definitely not rallying. That's obviously due to Bitcoin dominance. That's relatively strong right here. But I don't necessarily like that. So bullish is the most likely scenario, but it's 100% not guaranteed. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.